Hello friends, I'm your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with Wellness Wednesday and some vagus nerve relaxation. So did you know this beautiful nerve that flows right through the torso sends a message to this thing to chill out, to relax. So when we do things like pressing our stomach into a surface, we give ourselves squeezes, or we even do forward folding in many different ways, we activate our vagus nerve. When our vagus nerve gets activated, our stress level, our cortisol level goes down. Really great when we have those anxious feelings coming up. So some great rituals to help you to activate vagus nerve is doing forward folding as much as you can. Or as I just showed you here on my massage table, if you lay on something face down or even lay on the floor with a pillow right on your belly and you take deep belly breaths in and deep belly breaths out, within less than a minute, you will feel more calm. These are some of my favorite ways with just leaning onto the bed. If you're getting really overwhelmed, go right to the floor and place a pillow right here. The weight of the floor, because it doesn't have a give, can activate more. Or finding ways to just incorporate more of this squeezing, right? Squeezing that vagus nerve. Yoga's one way that I love to do this, and many other ways through coaching work, in-person and also virtual work can help you to feel less stressed and to feel more aligned with your higher self. That's your wise woman. I have many different new experiences coming up for 2023, and we would love to have you be a part of the community, maybe in events more, maybe in our Sacred Sisterhood group experience or some one-on-one work. I have slots available to get on a free conversation with me to see if 2023 could be a time for you to de-stress and to reactivate your authentic self. And I would be honored to be someone that could be your guide and mentor. Whether we decide to work together or not, I love holding the space for women. So please fill out that form, sign up for a free call, and let's connect. This is your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with Wellness Wednesday and forward folding for your vagus nerve. Be well.